Hi, for this learning objective, I'd like to show you how we can interface database management systems with business intelligence tools. In this course, we will be covering Tableau and Microsoft Power BI. In each of these systems, when you open them up, you can see various tools that you can connect to as well as database management systems. When I come into Tableau, I have the choice of connecting to a file or to a server. If I click more, I can go into my desktop and I can look for certain files. If I know what type of file I want to bring in, such as Microsoft Excel or a comma-separated values file or other text file, I can choose that here. There are also options for bringing in JSON, Microsoft Access. We probably will not do a lot of work with PDF since those are not structured in the right format for database work, but you could also bring in geospatial files and statistical files from tools like SPSS or SAS. We can also connect to a Microsoft SQL server or even MySQL and connect to some of the same databases that were used in the database design and development course.